Hi guys, so for today's wash and go, we are going to be focusing on 3 items that I purchased from Pattern Beauty, which is Tracee Ellis Ross's new line. I got the shampoo, the conditioner, and the brush, and I am going to tell you guys all about it. So to start off, I am using the hydration shampoo. I did get the travel size. This is not the full size. I did that because I'm obviously testing out this product for the first time, and I like that they gave us there's an option on the website for you to get a smaller size before fully committing to a full-size product. So the shampoo off the bat, I mean, it's really, I don't know what their formula is or what they're doing, but it's interesting that while maybe to you guys it looks like it's lathering, in my hands it more so felt like foam, and it made it feel softer on my hair. Sometimes when I think the shampoo lathers, it can feel like a little harsh, but this felt so soft. It was just super foamy. I rinsed it through my hair about 3 times, I would say, which is the normal thing for me. I just want to make sure that I'm not missing any buildup, but it felt great on my hair. My hair felt soft afterwards, and it honestly, even in it being soft, I could run my fingers through it, which is always a good indication to me of a good shampoo. That's not, if I shampoo my hair and it feels extremely knotty and stripped, most likely it's drying out my hair. So I like that with this shampoo from the line, my hair really still was able to be hydrated and even defined, which is like, to me, is a crazy thing to see definition after the shampoo phase, because I definitely did not used to have that back in the day when I was shampooing my hair. I would lose all sorts of definition and it would come back during the conditioning phase. But with this shampoo, I see the definition. It's foamy, my hair feels soft and light, and it really gets the job done. Next, I am using the heavy conditioner for coilies. If you go on their website, it does give you options depending on your curl pattern and your needs, which conditioner is best for you, and I picked this one. I have never seen a conditioner come out the way that just did. It is so thick and just like buttery. I think that that's a great indication of whether a conditioner is going to do its job or not, because if you have a tighter texture, coarser hair, you really do need more moisture, and that the way it came out, I was like, wow, this is definitely going to be something for me. So again, like I said, if you go on the website, you can see there are different conditioners for different curl patterns, from I think the 3 to 4, 3A to 4C range, and this is the one that I landed on and I thought worked perfectly for my hair. Hey guys, so I just came out of the shower and I rinsed the conditioner off. I left it on for a little while because it did say, I believe it said that if you want it to be used as like a deep conditioner, you can do that. Let's just, I guess, talk about it. Let me take my hair down so I can show you just really quick what it's looking like post conditioner. Really defined, and it's honestly super soft, which is really nice. This conditioner is definitely, hands down, the thickest conditioner I've ever used, which I really do appreciate, and I like that, and it makes sense. You know, if you have, I always say, if you have a tighter texture, you need more moisture, and the thicker and heavier creams usually do that for the hair. So I like that it was that thick. I thought that was just, Tracee really hit the nail on the head with that, because I've never had a conditioner that thick and come out that way either. So it was really good. Right now my hair feels really soft. Like I said, I left it in. It ate it up. It really moisturized my hair. I can say that 100%, like I have moisture, and it makes sense because of the consistency and the texture of this. The one thing that I'll say that I'm not the biggest fan of is, y'all know how I feel about scents, and while it's not like it's not a bad scent. It really isn't a bad scent, but it's a very mature, poison ivy treatment type scent, in my opinion. I'm not the biggest fan. Granted, it's not overpowering, which is good. Like, I know that my hair won't smell like this once it's dry, but like if I just go like this, I'm not like, I'm more like, okay, that's cool. It's very mature, and for some people they might not mind that. For me, it wasn't my biggest thing, but I know for a fact that if it does everything else it's supposed to do, I'm not about to throw something out because of the scent, unless it smells like horrible. And it doesn't smell horrible. It's just not probably my most favorite scented product or conditioner. So that's the gist on the conditioner. I'm just gonna go into so for this wash and go, the product, or the tool that we'll be using to test this is the brush. Now this brush is a detangling brush. That's what it's labeled as. It's a detangling like a shower brush. But I also saw online that it's good for, it promotes and encourages like clumpage and your hair to stick together and to kind of just give definition. So that's what I'm going to be using it for. I did try to use it as a detangler while I was showering, and I wouldn't say that it didn't work. I would just say that my method probably works a lot faster, like using a wide tooth comb, and the Denman brush works a lot faster than this did for me, but it still was able to detangle my curls. I just think it takes a little bit more time, so for me, I will probably use my wide tooth comb, and I'm really hoping that this can do some great definition, because I would not mind having another brush that can define my curls. It's very sturdy. It's like, it's got a strong handle. This doesn't bend, and that's probably what I like about it more off the bat in comparison to the Denman brushes. The Denman brush is a little flimsy up here, and over time it starts to break down. This is a solid brush. Like, I could smack somebody in the face with this, because it's not going to break down. It's really sturdy, and it kind of reminds me of how brushes used to be made. A lot of these newer brushes are made really, like, you know, not so strong. So I'm excited for this. We're going to go ahead and start this wash and go. I'm not going to mention the products that I'm using for styling, because that's not what this video is about, and I've used them in other videos, so it's nothing new. But I really wanted this focus to be on the Pattern Beauty line and these 3 items that I'm using, so we're just going to... So guys, I'm doing the same method that I always do, which is I start by using a brush to just detangle the curls and make sure that there's no like kinks or anything or knots. This really helps the product get through my hair a lot faster than if I just didn't do this. My hair is drying rather quickly. And again, I'm not going to mention the 2 products I'm using, but I always like to do this method of a cream first. So I'm going to go in with the cream, roots to tips, just cover it all up. We don't need to really pay attention to this part. And then I'm going to go in with the gel afterwards, and I like to just apply that on both sides of my hair, run it through all the way down to the bottom, run it through all the way down to the bottom, and this is where the brush comes back in. So I use this brush really for definition and to clump my hair together, and let's see if it does that. Did 3 times. And yeah, I mean, it's really, the ends look like they're clumping, for sure. And I'm going to rake this through again. Get that brush in here. Yeah, and then just rake, rake, rake. Shake this out. Rake, rake, shake. And this is the first piece. Like I said, I feel like this is definitely defined. I'm excited to see what it's going to do for the whole head, so let's keep going. Okay guys, so this is the final look. My bangs are really sensitive today. I don't know what's going on with them, but they just didn't dry properly, so I don't have it down just the way that I normally do, but you can see the definition. The brush did do its job. I feel like it did exactly what I was asking of it to do, and I'm very happy with the results. My hair feels soft. Definitely defined, and I really do like Pattern Beauty. I think Tracee Ellis Ross did a great job with this line, and I'm so happy that her being someone that I look up to and I absolutely love, that she created something with my hair texture in mind and so many other women who have my hair texture, and men, because this is not just for woman. It's a great line. I definitely think you should try it if you have not. I am looking forward to trying the leave-in conditioner that was sold out when I went to go purchase this stuff, but I am going to try it based off how the other two products work for me. I really think that'll be great. And yeah, let me know if you've tried this before or not. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you next time in my next video.